Hi guys, we are Csgocases today. If you enter the site from the link in the description section, you get $1 free bonus and to a personal reward bonus. And guys, there are many payment methods available like credit card, Kinguin, gift card, G2A, crypto, and CSGO skins. They open the case, guys. My case. Open the pipe. Follow my crimson bib. Thoughts on left title. Or take nice birthday. Nice. One more time. And I'm going to take. So close. Okay. Midnight Force defense. Maybe. One more time. Hey guys, upgrade. Upgrade, guys. Falter Knife, Marble, Fate, and... Huntsman Knife, Crimson Beat. Let's go. Losing. Smokeless. Woman Knife, Slobber. And guys, again, losing the next upgrade. X upgrade. Huntsman Knife, Slobber. Nice. Butterfly Knife plus cut. That'll skip. Let's go. Nice. Nice. Perfect. Next upgrade. Vulture Knife, Tiger Tooth, Bowie Knife, Bomber Doctor, and Normat Knife, Marble Fate, Factor New Stock Stretch. And Vice, Endline Bayonet, Marble Fate, no, Endline Bayonet, Fate, Factor New. Let's go. Perfect. Nice profit. And guys, last upgrade. Huntsman Knife, Stat Tag, Water Tunic, Emman Bayonet, Force, Steely Pet, and Fate Knife Fate. Factor New. Butterfly Knife, Slaughter's Minimal Wish. Upgrade. Perfect, guys. Nice profit. That's enough. See you in the next video.